Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my big dashboard layout for the week of, let's see, April 24th through April 30th. And so April 30th is my youngest son's 16th birthday. So I feel really old right now. But we're going to use some stickers that are going to be available in my shop on Friday, April 28th. So I apologize that my lighting is not like perfect. I've tried to adjust it, but I don't know. I can't. My light is on like the brightest setting that it can be on. Oh, sorry. But I'm filming on my iPad Pro, and I guess it's like blocking all the light from my ring light. But anyways, so the stickers I'm going to use are called Bright Birthday. And we do have a matching kit and some colorful boxes. And so since it is Braden's 16th birthday, I'm going to use these to decorate the spread. I've also picked out some washi. This I know is a Happy Planner washi. I'm not sure where this came from. This washi is like really cute. It's got all the colors in it that I need, but it's kind of like a confetti type washi. And then I think I'm also going to use some of my Artist Loft dot markers that match the spread or the stickers. So anyways, let's go ahead and pull this out of my planner and see how we can decorate this birthday spread. So let's get started. Now, of course, if you're new here, you'll see that I'm going to white out June, and that is because I am using an 18-month Happy Planner dashboard layout that actually starts in July of 2023, and so I have redated it and am using it for 2023. So June 2024, the dates match up with April 2023. So this is the weekly spread that I'm using. All right, my camera's a little shaky. I tried to adjust some things to try to get the lighting a little bit better, but I don't know if I got it any better or not. And then also, I don't know if you can hear it or not. Welcome to the South. One of my neighbors is shooting a gun. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but there's some gunfire going off in the background. Like I said, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's what's going on. Yeah, so I don't even ever, which maybe I should, but I don't ever like blink or think twice whenever I hear gunshots. Just because I live in the South. I don't know. Everybody has guns around here, so it's never been something that's really bothered me. Like, I will literally just be walking around outside in my yard while gunshots are going off. So I think I've said that before, that it's never really even kind of occurred to me that the gunfire could be in my direction. But anywho, whatever. It is what it is. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's what's happening. So I'm actually filming this at 3:45 on Saturday. My boys just left and they're gone to their daddy's for the weekend. And so I am actually here by myself for a whole weekend. Well, Saturday and Sunday. My oldest son has gone on a fishing trip with some of the men from the church. And my youngest two have gone to their daddy's house. So it's just mom by herself. And I guess maybe because I'm a southern chick and not afraid of staying by myself. So I'm actually looking forward to staying by myself this weekend and having lots and lots of time to just do whatever mama needs to get done. So I'm going to film lots and lots of videos for you this weekend. That's just my plan. So yeah, that's what I'm going to try to get done. Let's see. I kind of want to put some balloons or something. So what I've basically done is I've taken this list part on the left-hand side and I've turned it into two different list sections. So if you can see, I put a long box here, but then I can also still put a task list. So let's just see if I can't put these balloons up here on top of this box. But yeah, so anyways, I don't know, call me redneck, whatever you want to call me. The gunshots don't bother me. Staying by myself doesn't bother me. Honestly, I think that's like the beauty of living in the South. And so, if you, I don't know, I'm trying something different here. Let's see what happens. I kind of like that. Oh, all I can hear is gunshots. But yeah, so yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna try to find some lettering because I'm going to put like happy birthday Braden or put Braden's name on here or something. So I will be right back. You won't even know I'm gone, but I'll be right back. I'm going to try to find some letters somewhere in my Happy Planner books. My little cart over here. The letters came from the Happy Planners Life is a Party sticker book. So they have the balloon letters in I think 3 or 4 different colors. So we have pink, purple, blue, and gold. And so I used the gold ones just because the purple, the pink, and the blue didn't really match my colors. So this page is pretty much done. So let's just go on to this page. This is going to be a pretty quick video. Let's go ahead and see what else we can do on this side, like decoration wise. And then we will do the washi and maybe some bullet points. I don't know. We'll see. So I kind of want to put a colorful box. And so I think I'm just going to stick with pink. I'm not going to use my kit. I'm going to save the kit since I've already used stickers from the 2 colorful boxes sheets. I'm going to go ahead and, since I have the like teal green here and the pink over here, I'm going to go ahead and put pink down here on Sunday. I don't know. I kind of feel like if I put a box on Sunday, then I need to put a box somewhere else. I don't know. We'll see. But let's go ahead and lay this here. I do want to put some balloons with it. I just am not sure if I want to use... I think I'm going to use some small balloons, like off of this small sticker sheet. And since this is Sunday, I don't normally plan a whole lot on Sundays. So we can definitely put, a box on like the whole Sunday. I wonder what this, let's see. I was going to say we could put a banner. I'm just kind of wondering what this banner would look like. So this is my mini sticker sheet. If you've been following me the last couple weeks, I did introduce a new size sticker sheet, which is the mini size, and these stickers are adorable. I'm like in love with these cute little mini stickers. So yeah, that's actually pretty cute. And then I wonder if I could do like, I was trying to see if I could do maybe like a birthday hat or something. I may grab this one off this small sheet, and it's actually thundering outside. I don't know if you guys can hear the thunder, but I think it's supposed to get kind of yucky here. So maybe I can get this video filmed. My rings are like flopping around. Do y'all have trouble with your rings? Like when my hands are cold, my rings flop around. Sorry, but when my hands are hot, they like, my fingers swell. So right now, my rings are like just spinning around on my finger, and it drives me nuts. Sometimes I just have to just take them off. But anyways, that's a whole side note there. So now I kind of wish Well, I was thinking that I wanted to put some more boxes over here, but actually it doesn't look too terrible with just one box. See how that the ring's already turned to the side? That drives me crazy. Yeah, I think I'm going to be okay with just one box down here since I have a box there and a box there. We're going to make this spread pretty simple. I think I'm going to go ahead and put these like party hats up here at the top as well. And then we'll just kind of cut this off. So yeah, my babies are getting older. This mama is getting older. It's crazy for me to believe that in like just 2 more short years, all of my boys will be adults. And like, yes, it has been a very long, or will have been a very long 24 years to get all my boys to adulthood. But looking back, it's like it hasn't been that long. You know what I mean? I guess if you're a mom, you kind of know what I mean. Like, time flies. Even though it's been a long time, it really hasn't been a long time. All right, I think I'm just going to put a couple, like a decoration there, a decoration here. So I think I'm going to stick the rainbows over here, or the rainbow. Maybe I want to use, oh, that is the mini. Okay. I was going to say maybe I wanted to use the mini, but this is the mini. All right. So we have decorations kind of all up the spine. And I think I'm going to take, actually, I'm going to take this one. And we're just going to kind of, oops, put it like right here. So like my spine is decorated. My left page is decorated. And so now let's look at it. Look how cute it is, just for a cute little birthday spread. Let's see, do I want to use the bullets? I'm going to use them just because. So I've got the teal there, so I don't want to do teal. So why don't we do yellow, pink, teal, and then we'll do yellow here. We're going to skip this box. So let's do the yellow here, and I'm going to try to line these up, but I normally am not very good at this. Not very good at all, but that looks pretty decent. Oh, and I said we're going to do it down here too, so let's just go ahead and see if I can line these up. They're never going to be perfect just because, but that looks pretty decent. And then we're going to do yellow, pink, teal. I actually kind of want to do, I wish I hadn't done that yellow there, but it's okay. We're going to go teal, teal, teal. I'm going to skip there because there's a sticker there, and then we're going to go pink. So we'll go pink, pink. Trying to line it up, trying to be straight. Don't know if I can do it. I did it. Okay. Adorable, adorable. And so now I think I kind of want to do a little bit of dots, bullet points over here on this side. So I think I'm going to start with teal, and I'm just going to put a couple over here. Oh, that's from my end. I'm going to put a couple over here. 3, 4. These Artist Loft bullet point markers also come with like a fine tip marker on one end, so they're dual tip. And my neighbor just cranked his motorcycle, so that's always fun. All right, I think I'm gonna skip putting any bullets in this part. I'm just gonna go down here to the note section and put some here. So yeah, earlier whenever I thought I was recording and I wasn't, one of my neighbors, which I have several neighbors, but one of my neighbors was shooting a gun. And now during this video, I have a neighbor that just cranked their motorcycle, which that is my right beside me neighbor. So that's Eric probably. I think because Eric just bought himself a new motorcycle, so he got a new toy. And so I'm sure he's out just riding and having fun on his new toy. I want to find a header to go up here. And I kind of feel like it needs to be not script, because I don't really want to put any more script headers. I just want one header over there. And I kind of want it to say dinner or meal plan. Okay, meals. Here we go. So we're going to put meals up here. So these are some of the dashboard headers that are also available in my shop. These are some custom headers. You can get them customized to say whatever you'd like them to say. There's the motorcycle again. So don't they know their neighbor is a YouTuber? I know they do know, but I doubt they even think about it whenever they crank up the motorcycle. But anyways, the reason I wanted to do like the regular type and not the script type is because I don't have any script anywhere else. So yeah, I think this spread turned out really cute. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me on Instagram if you're over there. And like I said, these stickers and a whole lot more will be available in my shop on Friday, April 28th. So y'all make sure you're over on my website signed up for email so that you get email notifications whenever I have new releases. So that is it for this video. I will see you guys on the next one. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye guys.